for today's video, I'm gonna show you, actually, not show you, actually, I'm gonna show you as well. Every single time my laptop stops working in the morning sometimes. What's happening? And what's going on here? But before I answer your questions, before we start this video, make sure you smash that like button. Also, if you're new here, go down and smash that subscribe button down below if you haven't already done that. Now, let's get in there and check what's happening. But I'm not really that electronical guy, but I'm just gonna show you what I do. So, I'm gonna put you up here. Here's our storage room. Just right here, as you can see. Actually, I need my up now. You're coming in with me, you guys. I know it's very dark. Here's a light. Let's do. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Here we go. This is not working. I'm just gonna hold you in my hand and I'm gonna show you. So, as you can see, this is the router. If your laptop stops working, unplug it for 5 seconds and then plug it back in. I'm just gonna put you guys right here for now. It's better than it's there. So I'm gonna unplug it for 5 seconds. This one right here. Unplug it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then plug it back in. Just like that. And that's it to get your laptop running and backup and running. So thank you for watching this how-to video. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments if you want more. And I'll see you all in the next video. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos your way. I do daily videos, so if you guys enjoy, you know what to do. And thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.